Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me as I take you through our new credit card processing feature, EZClaimPay. As a software provider in the medical industry for many years, we've noticed that a lot of our customers deal with painful processes every day regarding their payment acceptance solution. Most of the time, it is because the customer's current payment solution is actually a tangled web of vendors that simply do not work well together. This patchwork approach to payment processing is much more expensive and can cause numerous problems for businesses like yours. Here at EZClaim, we believe software and payments are better together. With EZClaimPay, users can now look forward to enhanced security, tight integration, centralized support, full-fledged payment processing, transparent pricing, and ease of adoption. In order to access EZClaimPay, users will need to guide themselves to the Take Payment screen. Once you have the right patient selected, you'll see your EZClaimPay button is now active and ready to use. Simply click on your EZClaimPay button to begin taking a credit card payment. Users are then presented with three options. You can either select a card on file to run. You can use a terminal leased through EZClaim to either insert or swipe a card, or you can enter card information manually. The card on file option lets you store multiple cards. You can use the drop-down list to select which card to charge. You can also select the three dots, which will take you to the library of cards you have on file for this patient. From this library, users can then edit or delete cards that they have stored on file. If you lease a terminal through EZClaim, a box will populate for you to insert or swipe the credit card. If you're entering information in manually, a box will appear. Be sure to enter data associated with the card being run. Users have the option to use the tab button rather than their mouse to get to the next field while filling out this section. Once these fields are entered, users can simply hit enter or use their cursor and hit the pay button to finish taking the credit card payment. Once you have a payment method selected, users can then charge the patient's balance, charge the patient's copay, or enter a custom amount to charge to their card. EZClaimPay users also have the option to utilize a patient portal. This will allow users to send a text message or email containing a link. This link will direct patients to a secure payment site where they can pay a requested balance online. To send a text message to a patient, right-click on their name in the active patient list. From the drop-down box, select Send SMS Payment Request. Clients also have the ability to review past payment requests that they have sent for this patient as well. If you'd like to send an SMS text message to all patients that owe a balance, simply utilize your patient statement section. From there, users can select all patients and then hit Send SMS Payment Request. Users can then go in and disperse the payment as they normally would. You'll see it does show you what kind of card was run. It also gives the transaction a reference number. Users have the ability to either refund or void a transaction. We recommend using your active patients list, and once you have a patient selected, underneath, hit the Payments tab. And from there, you can hyperlink yourself to the Payment Modification screen. To get to the Payment Modification screen, double-click on the payment that you need to void or refund. Once you're on the Payment Modification screen and have the correct payment selected, you'll see on the right side of the screen a Void or Refund EZClaimPay button. A box will populate, letting users confirm that they'd like to move forward with the void or refund. Users will want to click Yes to confirm the void or refund of that transaction. Another great addition to this feature is the ability to get into your Merchant Track EZClaimPay portal to run your end-of-day batch reports. This is located right under the Tools tab at the top of the program and in your Merchant Track button, located in the ribbon bar. Clicking on the Merchant Track button will open up your EZClaimPay Merchant Track dashboard. To access your reports, utilize the orange ribbon bar located on the left side of the screen by clicking on the Reports button. What you're looking at now is the home screen to our scheduling software. Users have the capability to use EZClaimPay within this program, so we'd like to show you how. By double-clicking on the appointment in the appointment book, users will then open up the additional details section for that appointment. Users will now see an active EZClaimPay button at the bottom of their screen in the payment section. To initiate the credit card transaction, simply click EZClaimPay. To access your Merchant Track portal, select the Tools tab from the top of your screen, and from the drop-down box, select Merchant Track. We want to thank you for sitting in on this demonstration to learn more about EZClaimPay. If you're interested in booking a one-on-one demonstration or learning more and speaking to a representative, please give us a call at 877-650-0904. You can also email the sales team at sales@ezclaim.com. Thanks again for your time.